suggest line spacing is refers to the amount of vertical space between the lines of a text. But vertical means this vertical line spacing between the text right in a paragraph. So here we are writing a paragraph, and here we will see how the line spacing will be done.
Pick line and paragraph spacing from the paragraph group and choose the required number of spacing from the list to adjust.
Ma'am, can you tell me which chapter number?
Beta, this is page number 28, chapter number 3. So don't interrupt me in between. Now see, here we are having one symbol that is of line spacing. Whenever we will click over there, see again.
To set line spacing, follow the given
First
steps.
you will see these lines are tight. So we want to give some space over there. How we will do?
Steps. Step 1. Select the
Step 1.
paragraph for which you want to set the line spacing. Step 2. Click the Home
Select the
tab.
paragraph.
Step
Click
3.
the Home tab.
Click line and paragraph spacing
This is line
from the
and
paragraph.
paragraph spacing. This window is line and paragraph spacing. So here if you want to give 1.0 space, you will click there. 1.15 you will click there. Then 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. So these are the types of line spacing, as you can see in your book, page number 2828. Now,
Of group and choose the required number of spacing from the list to adjust.
yes. So now, if you want to give more space, you have clicked here 2.0. So all can see the more space are there. अब जो lines है वो gap में आ गई हैं बेटा. You can see the space. Yes, all can see. All can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
this. ठीक है. जो पहले लाइन राइट थी, आप देख रहे हो ना, अब इसमें स्पेस आ गई है. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइन स्पेसिंग. जब लाइन्स में हमने स्पेस देनी हो, हाउ वी विल गिव द लाइन स्पेसिंग? वी विल क्लिक द होम टैब, वी विल क्लिक हियर एंड वी विल सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शंस एंड इट इज लाइन स्पेसिंग. लेट मी शो यू. Let me show you. Okay, one document I'll take. So I'll show you this practical also. See, this thing I have written. I'll select this. I'll click to home tab. See, this is the symbol of line spacing. Okay, this is the symbol of line spacing. अगर मुझे, if I want more space, what I'll select? I can select C. After clicking 2.0, the space is more. If I'll select 3.0, the space will be more. If I'll select 1.0, the space will be less. So this is the work. Okay, line spacing is clear, everybody. Let me come back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everybody, line spacing is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
नहीं कुछ है.
No?
Ma'am, no. ये मैम का है.
Okay. So the next topic is setting paragraph spacing. As we have done line spacing, now we will do paragraph spacing. So again I am showing you. See, listen everybody.
Just the space between lines. Setting paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing refers
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
amount of
This is
or
paragraph.
below a paragraph.
So first we will
To
write
set
the
paragraph
paragraph.
spacing, Follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the paragraph to set the spacing before or after it. Step
You
2.
will select the
Click
paragraph,
on the
whole
Layout
paragraph
tab.
you will select.
Step 3. Click the arrow next to
Layout
before
tab.
or
See, here in line spacing you will clicking on Home tab. Now you will click on Layout tab, and here you will give before 12 point, after 6 point. So this you will select before 12 point, after 6 point. First you will click on Layout, then this spacing before and after.
or after from the paragraph group to increase or decrease
Whatever you
the
will
amount
see,
of space
feasible,
you
can
want.
select it.
Applying column formatting. You must
Now,
have note
column formatting. Now you want to format the column. So how you will give column formatting? Sometimes you have seen कि कुछ data, some data are writing there and some are there, and in between some picture has inserted. In newspaper you have seen. So how you will do this thing? You will do applying column formatting. Page number 2929.
noticed that a newspaper has columns. You can also apply column formatting to your
क्या बेटा? Which thing बेटा? Column formatting or paragraph formatting? Which thing you are?
paragraph.
Paragraph. Okay. For paragraph you want to set the space. So how you will give
spacing
paragraph
followed
spacing?
after from the paragraph group.
Yes. In paragraph spacing you want to give the spacing in between the paragraph. So you want to increase or decrease the space here. See beta, whenever there is some paragraph, so you will find one space over there and one is there. So how you will give the space? You will click on Layout tab, then before, then after. Okay, and in before you will select 12 point, in after you will select 8 point. Okay everybody? So after that you will find the space as it is given in page number 2929.
Ma'am,
बेटा
column also.
कॉलम का तो बेटा अभी मैंने स्टार्ट करवाना है, ठीक है? It has not started. Let's see.
Group to increase or decrease the amount of space you want. Applying column formatting. You must have noticed that a newspaper has columns. You can also
You have seen that sometime newspaper have some columns. Newspapers में क्या होता है बेटा? यहाँ पे एक फोटो लगी होती है and this side text is there and this is also there. So how we will do this? You will see the output over there. See.
apply column formatting to your text in Microsoft Word. This means
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can divide your document into multiple columns. To apply column
So what you will
formatting,
do for that?
follow the given steps. Step 1.
Layout.
Select the text you want to format in columns.
So here I
Step
want
2.
to give
Click
the
the
column.
Layout tab.
Select it.
Step 3.
Layout tab.
Click Columns from the
Column.
Page Setup group.
See how you will give column formatting. One option is there, columns. So what you want? You will want column 1, or you want to split one column into 2, or you want to split column into 3. Similarly, these options are given.
Step 4. Choose the number of columns
Here I want to split into 2 parts because I want to insert the picture in the middle.
you want to insert in your document. For example,
See, when we have pressed layout column 2, when I have selected 2, this paragraph, this column has divided into 2 parts. All can see this? These 2 parts all can see?
Yes, ma'am.
All? So in the blank space
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
insert the image. See how?
example 2.
Yes, ma'am.
The selected text gets divided into the specified number of columns. Inserting column break. Column break indicates that the text following the column break will begin in the next column. Once the column formatting is applied, you can insert the column break in your document.
So similarly, you can give the column break, means wherever the next column will get start. First column has finished. Now I want to insert next column. So here we will insert break, that is column break. Please don't speak.
Document. To insert column break, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click before the text from where it is to be shifted in the next.
See, this is the one paragraph. Now I want to insert column break here. So first I will click over there. I will select the space.
Next column. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Breaks from the Page Setup
Break.
group. Step 4. Select Column option.
See, here I want to insert break. So as the name suggests, हम layout पे जाएंगे. We will click over break and here we will select column. So column break will insert it.
Option from the list that appears.
See,
Working with tab.
this is sufficient. So let me come back to you. Yes. Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Anybody? Any doubt?
Ma'am, no doubt. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, read from the book and check any doubt is there. Check करो बच्चे.
No, ma'am.
Read it. First read it. Read it from the book and check it. Any doubt is there?